Okay, we're making candy cane cookies. Here's our ingredients. Egg whites, baking soda, sea salt, and baking powder, 2.5 cups of flour, 1/2 cup of butter, shredded, with some cream cheese, about 2 tablespoons, 1 cup of sugar. We have our food coloring, our peppermint extract for the flavor, and some vanilla that we'll put in at the end once we're mixing it all together. All right, we're gonna mix in our butter, our sugar, the egg whites, our other dry mixtures, the salt, the baking powder, and baking soda. And we're gonna give that a good mix. We're just gonna use a little bit of our vanilla, of our peppermint. Now I'm going to slowly fold in some of my flour, a little bit at a time, and mix it until it's nice. We have a good sized dough ball that's nice and smooth and easy to manipulate. We're going to add our dye in a separate bowl. Also make sure you only use about half of it because half will be red and half will be the white color. All right, to add your dye, you make a little hole with your knuckles, and then you're just going to squirt some into the middle. That's probably enough. And we're going to fold it until it looks like the color. All right, that looks about right. So now we're going to make cylinders and make our candy canes. I try to do lengths about that long at a time because otherwise it gets really hard to keep it straight. Now we're just going to simply, you just roll them and shape them into little candy cane shapes, or you can make them into circles, or you can just make them into ball cookies, whichever you like. They're not the most prettiest, but they taste really good. A multi-design, so I'm doing some that look like peppermints and some that look like candy canes. Basically, you just do that and you just cut like that and shape them. You go into the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 minutes. All right, these are getting pretty close to done. You see they expand a little bit. We'll let you know what they look like when they're all done. Cookies have cooled. I guess now we'll do a taste test.
Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!